What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of Vegan Cooking. Today we are making some vegan burgers. Now if you remember last episode, we made some pasta and I added a lot of pepper because I like spicy food. So what we're doing here is I am making veggie patties, buffalo, chicken patties. We know they are patties and they are spicy. You can see there's a red pepper right there to show how spicy they are. And also, no burger, let's be honest, is complete without fries. So I'll be making those, and yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna start with the fries because I feel like these cook for a while, and then yeah, just throw them in the oven and let it do its thing. So first off, heat the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's do that. All right, it's preheating. Next, arrange frozen fries in a single layer on baking pan. I have no aluminum foil. Well, I guess, can I use parchment paper? I feel like all the people who cook are cringing at this. Yeah, it's for use up to 420 degrees Fahrenheit. I can't use this. Jeez, okay. Well, I guess I'll just have to clean this off for a while afterwards. I don't want to do that. Oh well. 40 pieces per serving, so 9 servings per container. I'm not gonna count all of these, I'm just gonna it's about half the bag. Once again, before we get started, just want to emphasize, I don't know how to cook. I really wish I did. I feel like it's a valuable skill to know. But if something doesn't turn out well, it's not because it's vegan, it's because I don't know how to cook. All right, oven's at 105. Taking a little while. Maybe it's camera shy. So now we're gonna move on to the burger. Set this aside for now. So it's recommended in the oven. Preheat oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. All right. Okay, as preheating. So this is for the fries, that's for the burger. So what next? Place frozen patties on a baking sheet and heat for 16 to 18 minutes. I'm not really comfortable putting it down here because I feel like it's gonna burn and stick to the pan, so I don't know, is there anything wrong? The parchment paper can only tolerate up to 420 degrees. This is 375 degrees, so I think it's fine. What is parchment paper used for anyway? Cookies, right? So. Wait, is this gonna catch on fire in the oven? Okay, so I did some research. I don't feel comfortable using this in the oven. I don't know if it'll catch on fire or not. I mean, it's paper in the oven. I don't feel like it's a good idea, so let's see what other methods they recommend. In the microwave, that's the only other option. Can I fry these? All right, change of plans. I'm gonna fry the burgers. While the oven is preheating, we're gonna go ahead and start making the burgers. Now, I've learned the hard way many times. They have to really coat your thing in like olive oil or butter or spray or whatever you use. Otherwise, half the entire process of making it is gonna be cleaning it. All right, I'm gonna cook 2 burgers. So while these are cooking, while the oven's preheating, we're gonna work on the toppings. A burger isn't just a patty, it's also the toppings. It's not just the sum of its parts, it's more than that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some lettuce, take some tomatoes, and mustard and make some of the greatest toppings ever. So I'm gonna take a tomato, I'm gonna wash it off, and oh, the burgers are already cooking. Okay, so now I've got some tomato rings for toppings. Now let's take the lettuce, and don't worry, any food I don't use for this episode will be used just at home for cooking other stuff. Let's go back to here. All right, they're starting to cook really well actually. They'll be done soon. The oven is still preheating. Wait, I don't need lower oven anymore. Okay, just upper oven, right? Yeah. And I will just take it off. Now let me get the burger bun. I do have to make it. I know it's right there, but I'd like to have a little toasted, so I'm gonna do that. Put it there, just mildly toasting it. This isn't a bagel. Is it almost done? It's getting there. I'm glad I started the fries a while back because yeah, they're taking the most time. Luckily with vegan meat, I don't have to worry about it being cooked all the way because there's no eggs, there's no eggs, there's no eggs, there's no eggs, there's no eggs. So we're gonna take a break for a bit while the fries are gonna cook and the burger's gonna toast, or the burger one's gonna toast, the burger's gonna be cooling down. And yeah, I'll see you after this message from our sponsor. Welcome back. Hopefully the sponsor was convincing. Our fries are done. They're completely plain. I tasted them. It's just potatoes. It's just cut potatoes. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna salt them. All right, so now it's time to set up the final dish. Let me get some of these fries up here. Oh, look at that. This is probably the best burger meal I've ever seen. My camera's laggy, so that doesn't help at all. Look at this, this looks fantastic. I'm gonna try it right now. Wow. I'm so glad I added the salt, because the salt just makes it taste so much better, these fries. These are good fries. But now, it's time for the main event. The title of the video. Time to try the vegan burger. It's so massive, jeez. That is amazing. That is better than any beef burger that I've ever had, period. Beef burgers are overrated, and plus, let's just be real with ourselves, they taste terrible. This burger, spicy, but the tomato cools it off, the lettuce holds it together, and the bun is perfectly toasted. Way better than the pasta. This is a successful episode of vegan cooking, so thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It took me a while to buy this stuff. It took me a while to make it. It's gonna be a pain to edit, but I still love these videos. You can follow us on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook at We Are Ecocentric. And yeah, be sure to subscribe for more content, and I'll see you tomorrow. I'm not lying, this is actually really good. So that's cooking. I don't have a spatula, do I? God. I really should have prepared more for this episode.